All right, back at the data center. Gonna peek the antennas today and then head back up to the transmitter site later on. So hopefully it's a good day. We're making a push to finish up strong and hopefully have some fun this weekend. Back at the tower site. Let's get it. Well, that's a wrap on day 4. Yeah, long day up here. And as you can see, there's a beautiful sunset right behind me. Gonna cruise down the mountain now. Hopefully not fall off the edge. Take a couple days off and come back and hit it next week. Finally made it into Moab, found a spot to stay. We are doing dispersed camping and this is a pretty fantastic site. Right on the Colorado River. Supposedly there's some arches like a mile away. Pretty short hike, so we're gonna check that out tonight. And yeah, get set up. This should be pretty sweet. First night in Moab done. It's early. Well, we're about to go walk through a canyon and jump on some paddle boards. This is pretty good right here. So that's a wrap on Moab. Came in, walked to Corona Arch at night with no headlamp. That was fun. Awesome canyoneering, paddleboarding with Justin. Kyle just left. It's about 80 here in Moab right now, but about 6 hours east going back towards Denver. Supposed to have 14 inches of snow overnight. So it's crazy. It was going down from like 100 today, and it's going to be 35 overnight with snow. Pretty wild. So I'm out here by myself now. One last night at the campsite. It's supposed to rain in the morning, so I'm going to wake my ass up early, tear down. New REI tent. It's kicking ass. So back to St. George, where this all began, tomorrow. And long work week ahead. Gonna chill out, sit by the fire for a few minutes, and go to bed. Peace.